Okay, let's see the first application. So in a industrial plant, usually we gonna use OR gate. So OR gate have two input, A and B, and the output will become A plus B. So in the industrial plant, the first input will become the surrounding temperature, uh, and the second input B is a switch that will be used by human. So wait, okay. So when the temperature high, so A, right? A, when the temperature high, the input for the A will become 1, and when the temperature is low, the input for A will become 0. So B is a switch. When we press the switch, the input will become 1 and the output will become 0. So let me see. Normally when the surrounding temperature is high, uh, the automatic industrial watering plant will become 1. So let's see here. When the temperature is low and the switch is off, the output will become 0. When the temperature is low and the switch is on, the output will become 1. That means the watering system will on. Next, when the temperature is high and the switch is off, the watering will still on because the output will become 1. When the switch is on and the temperature is high, the output will become 1. That means it will help the human to watering the plant automatically when the temperature is high. Second application for the orchid is a doorbell. So the first input will become A front doorbell switch, B back doorbell switch. So the truth table will become 0 0, means when the front doorbell switch is not pressed and the back doorbell switch is not pressed, the doorbell will not ring. Second, when the when the front doorbell switch is not pressed and the back doorbell switch is pressed, the bell will ring. When the front doorbell switch is pressed and the back doorbell not pressed, the doorbell will ring. And when the both front and back doorbell switch is pressed, the doorbell will actually ring. Sorry, my bad. Not 0 1. So the one output for the doorbell will ring. That's all. So hi guys, the first application for the logic gate is a NOT gate. NOT gate is a logic gate that have only one input and one output. For the application is a central heating. Usually in a cold places, people will set the heater only turn on using logic gate. Only turn on when the temperature is low. So for an example, the input for the logic gate is 1 when the temperature above 20 Celsius. So the truth table will become when the input is 1, means the temperature is above 20 Celsius, the output will become 0 and the heater will turn off. Therefore, when the input is 0, means the temperature is below than 20 Celsius, which means very cold. The heater will turn on, and that's it. is application of a NAND gate. The application in the industrial warehouse alarm system. Usually in a warehouse alarm system, industry warehouse system, industrial warehouse, we have a in the factory you have a working, we have fan that need to keep working, so the atmosphere of the factory is clean. So let me explain. When the fan is working, the input will become 1. The input will become 1. The input will become 1. 1. Okay, when the fan is working, the input will become 1 and the output will become 0. So the alarm will not buzz. Okay, when the one of any fan is failed to working, means the input for the fan is 0, the output will become 1 and the alarm will buzzing. That this will help the factory to know that the fan is not working. Okay. So the next application is for the AND gate. The application is for the security purposes. Usually we will use the AND gate for the burglar alarm. So when the A input is a person sensor and the B input is alarm switch. First input is person sensor and B input is the alarm switch. So when the person sensor is off and the alarm switch is off, the output will off, and when the person sensor is off and the switch is on, the output will be off. When the person sensor is on and the alarm switch is off, the output will be off. Last, when the person sensor is on and the alarm switch is on, the output will be on and the alarm will turn on. So the alarm will only turn on when the person sensor receive input and the alarm switch receive input. That's all.